What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. We've lost some key levels of support. It's looking a little bit gloomy for the altcoins. Bitcoin is correcting, and when Bitcoin corrects, the altcoins correct harder. So currently we're sitting at 65 cents. We're down 16% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.14 billion, and the 24-hour volume is just about 700 million. So you can see the volume has increased, guys, but it's bearish volume. The bears have taken control. They're increasing the volume here to the downside. So you can see here on the 4-hour chart, we're having a bit of a free fall. We lost crucial levels of support, 74 cents and 70 cents. And 70 cents was that previous swing low, and we've broken below it. So your next level of support here is down at 54 cents. And the reason that I've dropped in that level of support is because of this previous swing high where this wick came up to. So I do believe if price continues to fall and we don't see a bounce here, I mean, of course, we'll probably see a little bit of a bounce where we do something like this. We come down, we see some green candles, we see a little consolidation, and then we may continue the downtrend, bringing us down to that 54 cent level of support, unless the bulls were to really step in here and get back above these levels of support, now turned into resistance, 70 cents, 74, 78. However, it had been going over the RSI and how we had two historical bounces off about 26 on the RSI back in March and back in November, and you can see here we've broken below it. So we should see a bounce pretty soon because we're all the way down at about 22 on the RSI on the daily. So we should see a little bit of a bounce here. However, it's unfortunate that we didn't bounce off 26 because we did see those massive moves to the upside right off 26 on the RSI back in November and back in March, which can still happen, guys. We can still see a bounce where we come down, we break that level of support, but we still see that bounce back up to the upside. But there's not a lot of support in this area, as you can see. So your next target here for Matic is here at 54 cents. And if I pop open this chart on the daily, now our C wave has come deeper here than our impulsive wave 1, which invalidates this structure. So basically now we're just waiting to see where we find support here. And my target is right there at about 54, 55 cents. If we pop open Ethereum here, you can see here on the 1-hour chart, we've had a little bit of a bear flag that we've broken down out of. So that could be a nice little trade opportunity here. Short trade. Remember, guys, you can make money on the way up and on the way down. Trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins is much more risky, especially with leverage. But if you'd like to learn to short and long the market, check out my full length tutorial and sign up to Bybit through my referral and receive up to $600 in bonuses. So keep an eye on that bear flag. You can see we have broken down out of it, and your price target is right here at 1636. So that's a nice little short opportunity of about 6% for Matic. Now I've dropped in this level of support here, or sorry, for Ethereum at 1529. Pop it open onto the 4-hour chart. Wow, where's my line? Oh, there we go. So 1529, due to the fact that it is a previous swing low right here. See the previous swing low? We also had some support in this area. So in that area of 1529 is my next level of support if we don't see a bounce before then for Ethereum. If we pop Ethereum open here on the daily, so you can see here on the daily for Ethereum, we're about to have the bearish cross of the 20 EMA underneath the 200. It's a pretty bearish sign, guys. Let's actually quickly pop open the RSI and see if we're trending into oversold on the daily. Yeah, you can see we haven't even started trending into oversold. So that does show continuation here to the downside. If we were to see a little bit of a bounce, we have this level of resistance at 1815, but you can see the bearish volume has increased and the bears are in control, and we have these breakdown targets from our, let me pop it back open onto the 1-hour chart. From our bear flag, that brings us down to 1636, and then we have that previous swing high at 1529 here for Ethereum. So nice little short trade opportunity there for Ethereum. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Price can always go the other way, even if the bear scenario is more likely. So please use your stop limits, your take profits, and don't be greedy. So we'll end the video here with Matic. So I am targeting that previous swing high at 54 cents. You can see here, previous swing high as your next level of support. Now that doesn't mean we won't see a bounce in this area, but as you can see here, there's no support. There's no support in this area. So you have to target the previous swing high, which is down here at 54 cents. Will probably take a while to get there, but if you do see a bounce, if you do a little something like this, where you see some consolidation and you bounce back up to the upside, your levels of resistance are 70, 74, and 78 for Polygon. And if we do come down to that 54 cent level of support, it lines up here with the 55 EMA, where we would come down and we'd start to find support here on the 55 EMA down at 54 cents. So do keep an eye on that level, guys. Just a quick little update for Matic. I know it can be hard to watch as an investor. That's why I think it's really important to do investing as well as trading. And that way with trading, you can always make money on the way down as well. And then as an investor, you can look at good opportunities to stack up on the coins you've already invested in, or to invest into some new projects or some coins you just haven't had the opportunity to invest in just yet. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button. You can follow me on Instagram, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.